So, g'day fellow humans, how you going today? And well, today I'm in the bush. As you can see, beautiful bush. And what can you do in the bush? Well, look at this rock, sandstone. You can fossick. Now, fossicking is when you're searching for something, looking for something of value, and trying. It's usually applied to, well, gold, gems, like probably turquoise or topaz or rubies or just anything that can be of value. Whoa. So, I am fossicking, looking at these rocks. Now these rocks don't have anything of, well, of a value like a diamond or anything, but they do have fossils. So I'm fossicking for fossils. Now if you don't know what a fossil is just an extinct animal that has settled on the ocean floor or a floor of a lake or somewhere, been covered in sediment, and over time that sediment has turned into rock. So this is sandstone, you can get mudstone as well. And this has trilobites, it has starfish, it has something called an Edria asteroid, which is sort of related to starfish, but it's looks like a totally different creature. What else do they have here? They have brachiopods, which look like clams or bivalves, but they are a lot rarer now. And you can probably get some crinoids as well, but mainly I've only ever gotten trilobites. If you don't know what a trilobite is, look up Wikipedia. Well, maybe down below I'll leave a link to the article, because trilobites are awesome. So that's what fossicking is just looking for something, even if it's not valuable, it's valuable to you. So trilobites, yeah, these ones are broken apart, disarticulated, so they are valuable to science. So science can actually study them, and the Museum of Victoria, actually, I think his name is Hancock. He done a paper on trilobites from this area, and this is Mount Disappointment. So here I have lots of rocks. These are too hard. These are very hard. Most likely is that they do not contain fossils. So I'm not even going to worry about them. They look pretty eroded in the first place. So you can actually get fossils in this formation. It's called the Dargoyle Formation in the Melbourne Trough. And you can actually find lots of things fossicking. So you can go to other parts of, other countries. Lots of people like to search for gold. Some like to search for diamonds. Diamonds is pretty hard. You have to go a specific type of formation for that. And you can get other types of crystals. So that is what fossicking is all about. So when you're in the country, or you know someone who collects crystals or fossils, just ask them if they go fossicking now and then, because if they're into that stuff, they should know what you're talking about, and maybe you should join them, because it's actually cool to go out and get fossils. Okay, well, I'm going to enjoy this beautiful, nice day, 24 degrees, and a beautiful forest. Hooroo, have an awesome time, people.